Good morning, my class. Today, we're going to learn how to add using the number line. But we're not just going to learn, we're going to move and have fun while we do it. Are you ready?
Yes, Miss Waiters.
Okay, let's start with a simple problem. 3 plus 2. I'm going to show you how to do it on the number line. Watch me first. I start at 3 and I move forward 2 spaces. 1, 2. Where did I land?
5.
That's right. Now it's your turn. When I move, you move, just like this. When I move, you move, just like this. Hop on the line, don't miss. Start at 3, move 2 more. Where do we land? Let's explore. Great job, everyone. Remember, every step forward brings us closer to the answer. And hey, if you feel like moving, add a little groove. You've all worked so hard today. Remember, math isn't just numbers. It's movement, music, and magic. Keep practicing and keep shining.
Math is fun and we can groove. We learn together, we always move.
I'm so proud of each and every one of you. Keep adding, keep moving, and keep believing in yourselves. You are math superstars.